call me J Pitt. I'm with Shoe Magic, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to clean the Jordan 3's. So what I'm using for this Jordan 3's, the first thing I do, I use a cleaner conditioner, and I use a brush with it. So we're gonna start off with this. So the first thing I do is that I wet the brush on water first, and I do 1 squirt, like that. Easily. Start off with the sides. Really easy. Really easy. You can also clean the laces as well. Super easy. You will not take more than 3 minutes. Super easy and fast. Once you feel that you give yourself about 2-3 minutes, you wipe it off. Second step, what I do, I use a touch-up. It's really popular. You can put it on a stitching on your shoes. I know some people don't like the black inside of it. You can go like this. This will actually help decrease the stitching inside of the shoe, and the size and everything. So what I use for this right here, I use an MVP box. This is the box that I use. The most popular box. You can see it on your local stores. You can see this in your fairs, your malls, and pretty much anywhere on website. So yeah, so if you want to get more cleaner on the laces, what I would do, I would get a sponge. You put 1 drop, the same thing. You can take them off if you want to. It's up to you. You can use a cleaner. You can go like this. Or you can also take them out. I go like this. I wet it. Same thing again. 1 drop. Nice and clean. So now that you took out the laces, now you can definitely wet the brush of water again. We got some studs in here. And then wipe it off. And this is how you clean the OG 3's. Boom.